Hi, it's Cassie. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really elegant easel card using the Rinea foiled paper. This paper is so wonderful and versatile and can be used in many different ways. Today we're going to use it to make this elegant card. So I thought that it would be nice to use this mocha Rinea foiled paper in the Starstruck line to layer on this rose background paper. Look at all of those flourishes and pretty tendrils there. I really thought the delicate look of the paper with that pattern would look nice. So I'm just thwacking around the edges with the green Versa Magic ink, and then I'm using some pearlescent beige just to give it sort of an antique and vintage kind of look. And then I am using some art glitter glue just around the edges of that Rinea foiled paper and on some of the flourish tendrils to help it stick down to the base there. And that glue works really well for that. So once that is down there, then I'm going to build the card base. So I'm using that same die that I use for the top, but just not cutting out the top portion where it's folded. You'll see there, so that we have the shape, but now we have a card base. And then we fold it in the middle to get the easel part of the card. I'm thwacking the edges of this white cardstock so that it matches the front matte piece and all sort of comes together. And then I'm using some double-sided adhesive just on the bottom portion where I have folded the front of this card base so that we can actually create the easel card now. And then I'm going to stick that front piece that I have layered and just on the bottom half so that we can fold it up, and you'll see in a moment, and thwacking the edges there to give it a nice coherent look. And then I wanted to mat the inside of the card, since you're going to see that while it's propped up, with this nice just sort of brown taupe kind of pattern paper that comes from the same Crafter's Companion line there, and using the pearlescent beige around the white where you're going to see through it to make sure that has that nice vintage look. And then it just has that little peak at the top there that needs to come off so that it fits onto that base nicely. So cutting that off there, and then we're just using double-sided adhesive again to stick this down. This is paper to paper, so no problems there. So I'm sticking that down, and you'll see as this comes together why I did that there. It looks really nice. So now I have some of the gold solid gold Rinea foiled paper for those other flourishes that we're going to use as a stopper and as an accent piece. I have taken some vellum, and I have used the Stays on Pigment brown ink and a stamp that says, "I'm so grateful to have you in my life," and I'm sticking it down onto the top there. And then I'm going to use that beautiful gold. This is the other piece of Rinea foiled paper that I'm using for this project in the gold solid. So gorgeous, so metallic, and just rich and really elegant looking. I really love the way this paper creates a very nice elegance to whatever you do with it. So, and then I put these smaller flourish on top there to accentuate the sentiment. So there is my easel card. Super quick and easy, but look at this card. If you sent this to anyone, they would think that it was really took a lot of time and effort, and could set it on their table or mantle. I mean, it really is a piece to show and to love, and I really loved making it. Super quick, and this Rinea foiled paper really gives it that next level, I think. This was a really fun project to make, and I thank you so much for watching. I hope you found some inspiration. Bye-bye.